Hello, art enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Art of the Process. Today is Throwback Thursday, so let's dive into an old project that deserves to be in the spotlight once again. This week's throwback is a stunning, oversized sculpture for Hampton Inn Suites at Miami Airport South. After weeks of sizing, trimming, sanding, and preparing wood, our team finally met installation day. This colossal structure is as tall as the ceiling with tasteful interceptions of light throughout the length of it. Let's take a second to admire the beautiful work. If you're new here, we're an art consulting and art fabrication facility based out of Miami, Florida. We take care of all your art needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Goodbye.